Hi, all of you. Once again, welcome back to our class. Today, small topic, small statements, the relation between distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. How do you calculate distance and displacement on the circle? Okay, generally we calculate the straight line and different path. Easy calculating, but the particle moving along the circular path, so find the distance and displacement. Okay, the relation between distance and displacement on the circular path. Okay, first of all, listen here carefully. Okay, how do you calculate distance and displacement on the circle, okay. First of all, statements are distance and displacement. Simply, the displacement and distance statement here, the length of actual path between initial position to final position. This is called here distance. Okay, here displacement, the minimum distance between initial position to final position. This is called here displacement, or change in positions of the particle or body. This is a displacement. Okay, here simply distance here statement. First of all, distance statement. Distance. Okay, the length of actual path between initial position to here initial position to final position, here final position is called here distance or path length Okay, it is denoted by small d, denoted by here small d. Okay, the the dimensions of the this one here just m0 l t0, that means here just l, the dimensions of this distance here l, SI unit here meter. Okay, and displacement statement here, displacement statement. Okay, the shortest distance between the shortest distance between initial position to final position, here final position. Okay, is called here displacement. It is denoted by capital S here. Yes, here bar means here vector quantity. It is a here vector. Okay, SI units meter. Dimension formula L, just to capital L, length. Okay, this is a vector quantity, here this one here scalar quantity. Now, for example, a person moving along the straight line for 2 meter, for example. The person moving, for example, the distance and displacement, just difference here. The person point A, this is the initial position, moving straight line for 2 meters, for example, 2 meters. The final position here, final position B. In this case, here distance and displacement are both are equal. Distance and displacement here both are equal. Here distance is straight line. Straight line means here displacement. The straight line indicate that here displacement, initial point and final position. And distance of the person here also same 2 meters. So here displacement is equal to here distance, that is equal to, for example, 2 meter. ఇందులో ఆ పర్సన్ అనే వ్యక్తి స్ట్రేట్ లైన్లో మూవ్ అయినట్టయితే దాని యొక్క స్థానభంశము దూరం అనేటివి సమానంగా ఉంటున్నాయి ఈ కేసులో. బట్ ఏ పర్సన్ మూవింగ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, జస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఓకే, ఏ పర్సన్ మూవింగ్ example to A to B, a person moving from A to B through a distance here, for example, 3 meter, through a moving 3 meters. In this case, distance and displacement both are equal, but the person turn left side again moving 4 meters, for example, turn left side and moving point C, okay. Now calculate the displacement and distance in this case. Here example 2, for example, here this one here, the displacement here, the shortest distance between initial position to your final position. Here this one AC means here displacement, here indicate the yes, here S means here displacement. The initial position here A, final position of the person here C. So displacement of the particle here, yes, the distance of the particular person, the distance of the person A to B plus B to C. So here distance is equal to AB plus here BC, AB plus BC. That is equal to, here D is equal to, AB means here 3, BC means here 4. That is equal to 7 meter. 7 meter. The distance of the person here 7 meter. But how to calculate in this position displacement of the person? So the magnitude of the, yes, the magnitude of the, yes, that means the straight line of the person, that is straight line means here initial position to here final position. Very simple. So yeah, right triangle, this one here, right triangle, the magnitude is here S is equal to under root of here 3 scale plus here 4 scale, that is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 5, 20 scale under root and scale get cancelled. So displacement of the person here 5 meter. This just simplification, just simple methods. But now the person moving along the curved path of radius r, the radius of the circle here r. How to find out the distance and displacement? The relation between distance and displacement we will get now explain here. Listen carefully, okay. The person traveling along curved path, okay. How to find out the distance and displacement of the particle or person, okay. So very simple computation, very simple method. స్కూల్ స్టాండర్డ్ నుంచి అప్ టు పీజీ ఎక్కడైనా ఇవి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. జస్ట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి, జస్ట్ క్లారిఫికేషన్, ఓకే. యా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ సర్కిల్, దిస్ వన్ ఇయర్, this is a okay circle. The radius of the circle, for example, r. The radius of the circle here r. The radius of the circle r. Okay. But a person at point A. A person at point here A. For example, a person at point A. Okay. పర్సన్ ఏ అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, ది పర్సన్ మూవింగ్ ఓవర్ ఏ కర్వ్డ్. సో టు రీచ్ ద ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ to reach the point B. To reach the point B, the person moving along curved path. This A is a initial position of the person. The to reach the point B. Point B. Now find the displacement and distance. How do you calculate this type of problem in new circle process? Okay, circle. Okay. Yeah. This curve, AB curve, represented length of the arc. Length of the arc. This one here, AB. AB represented by length of the arc. That length of the arc is equal to the distance of the person. The distance of the person. Okay. This one here, this one, D. D is equal to here, L. L is equal to, for example, this one here. Okay. Angle theta. AB. That means this arc subtended an angle theta at center O. This arc here, AB arc, subtended an angle theta at center of the circle. Okay. AB represented distance. The distance is equal to here L. L is equal to how much? How much values here? So according to here, according to sector formula. Okay, according to sector formula. So angle is equal to okay, arc by radius. Arc by radius. That is equal to your angle here theta is equal to arc means here D or L. Okay, arc here D. D means nothing but your distance of the person, by radius here R, capital R. Okay, capital R. So the relation, the distance of the person D is equal to here R theta. This is the distance of person. Okay, D is equal to here R theta. This okay. The distance formula here R theta. Here theta means angle subtended by the ABR at the center. Now R means radius of the circle. Now how do calculate the displacement now? So the displacement here, the shortest distance between initial position to final position. Initial position to your final position. Your initial position means A, your final position B. Though this is the straight line, this one here straight line. This is the displacement. This one here displacement. Okay, it is denoted by S. It is denoted by S. This one here, this straight line means gives displacement of the person A to B. Now how to calculate this displacement? Okay, now first of all, this displacement here 2x AB here, for example, S is equal to, for example, 2x. S is equal to here 2x. Okay, the x means divide the two parts at the center. Okay, this one here x, this one here x. So displacement of the person S is equal to x. Okay, 2x. Now this here, this one O, this point, this one total theta. This angle here theta by 2. This also here theta by 2. So sin theta is equal to sin theta by 2. O, for example, CA. Here triangle OCA. Okay, OCA. Sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is equal to here AC by AO. AC by AO. That is sin theta by 2 is equal to AC nothing but here x. Okay, by AO means here radius of the circle. Okay, so x is equal to cross multiplication just r sin theta by 2. This is a x. Now the displacement of the particle, displacement of the person, here s is equal to 2x. This is a substituting here, s x value is substituting here, so displacement of the person is equal to 2 into here r, okay, sin theta by 2. Okay, so s is equal to 2 r sin theta by 2. This one here, this represented the displacement of the person on the సర్కిల్, ఇది దేని తెలియజేస్తుందంటే వ్యక్తి అనేది కరుడు పైన ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే అతని యొక్క స్థానవంశానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫార్ములా. సో డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ s is equal to 2r sin theta by 2. Here r means radius of the circle, theta angle is subtended by the person at center, here s displacement of the person. Okay, now for clarification some examples, applications. Okay, now the relation between this one here, note it. Okay, the relation between distance and displacement on the circle, the relation between distance and displacement of the particle on the circle. So here distance means, here distance formula, distance d is equal to r theta. Displacement s is equal to 2r sin theta by 2. So here r means here capital R, radius of the circle. R is equal to distance by angle, distance by angle. Okay, here r value substituting, the displacement is equal to r means d theta by t. Okay, sin theta by implies the displacement is equal to 2d sin theta by 2 by theta. This is the relation between relation between distance and displacement. Okay, now a person, example 1, for example here, example 1, a person moving along the curved path, angle 90 degrees subtended by the at center 90 degrees. Find the displacement and distance of the person. Now here this is a circle, the radius of the circle, for example r, the radius of the circle here, for example r. Okay, the person moving a to b, this curve subtended at center here 90 degrees. Now this is the displacement, this one here displacement, this one here distance is equal to question mark and displacement here question mark. Okay, now the person moving from a to, the person walks on the curve to reach the point b. This are subtended at angle 90 theta, center of the circle. Find the distance of the person and displacement of the person. Here initial position of the person a, final position of the person b, the distance of the person here ab arc, the displacement of the person straight line ab. So the distance, first of all, distance is equal to here r theta. Distance is equal to, relation here, distance is equal to r theta. So distance is equal to r, here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this 90 degrees nothing but here 5 by 2. Okay, 180 degrees is equal to 5 degrees, this one. Okay, now distance is equal to here r, 90 is equal to 5 by 2. This is the distance of the person r 5 by 2, r 5 by 2. Now displacement of the person, displacement of the person, okay, s is equal to, here a formula, this formula using, so s is equal to 2r sin theta by 2, theta by 2 implies s is equal to 2r sin of, here sin theta is equal to 90 degrees, 90 by 2, okay, is equal to, s is equal to 2r sin 90 45 degrees, 45 degrees. So s is equal to 2r sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is equal to here 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 is equal to, so root 2 that is equal to 2. So once get cancelled, remaining displacement of the person is equal to here root 2r, root 2r. This is a root 2r meters, root 2r here meters. Okay, this also units are meter. So displacement here, how much here? Root 2r meters. Distance here r 5 by 2 meters. This is a distance, this one here displacement. Now for example, the person subtended at center 120 degrees or 180 degrees. For example, 60 degrees, 180 degrees, 120 degrees, 270, anyway, any degrees. Okay, example once again, clarification, just clarification once again problem. Okay, now next problem, example problem. Example 2, here theta is equal to, for example, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees. So find the distance and displacement on circle, on the circle, on a circle. Okay, your angle here theta is equal to 120 degrees. How much here measure the calculate the distance of the person or displacement of the person. So first of all, draw the circle. The radius of the, for example, circle r, the angle subtended here 120 degrees. So point A, point B. Okay, here D is equal to, this one is straight line, B is equal to, so example just 120 degrees, this one, for example. Okay, 120 degrees, for example, this is a r. Okay, straight line means this is a displacement. Okay, first distance formula, D is equal to r theta, r theta. So r into theta is equal to 120 degrees, 120 degrees. Okay, this degree is converting into radians, yeah, radians. 120 into converting into radians, 5 radian by 180 degrees, 5 radian by 180. So 5 is equal to here 180 degrees. Okay, cancel cheyandi, 0 0 get cancel. 4 3 ja 4 3 4 ja 3 3 4 ja 3 6 ja. Okay, 3 2 ja 3, yeah. So that is equal to 25 by 3. That is equal to here values here 25 by 3. Once again calculating, 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 2 2 ja 2, 3 ja. Okay, r into 25 by 3. This is the distance of the person, 25 r by 3 meters. Okay, this one here meter, units, SI units of the distance. Next, displacement, S is equal to here 2r sine of theta by 2, that is equal to 2, or theta is equal to 120 by 2, 60 degrees, that is equal to 2, or sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, so root 3, or this is on displacement. Here displacement is equal to root 3 by root 3, or the distance is equal to here 2 5 r by 3. Okay, this one meters. Calculate, for example, theta is equal to here 180 degrees, question mark, theta is equal to, for example, 270. Find the displacement and distance. Okay, thank you.